I joined Runners High, I quickly latched on to the philanthropic part of it, which impressed me the most. Because Runners High is such a beautiful, selfless community, and the camaraderie of the people in Runners High is absolutely mesmerizing. And since Santosh, who's sort of the chief, is such a selfless personality.
Firstly, I started volunteering for an organization known as Asha for Education, which raised funds for education of underprivileged or disadvantaged children across India. They would support various NGOs by raising funds in the US. When I volunteered for this organization and I started visiting the NGOs that were working with the children, it really brought back perspective into my life. Ironically, when I was away from India is when I started realizing what ails the Indian education system and what was all around us that we never saw. And that sort of struck me hard, and I felt something has to be done and something has to change. That is when I realized that this is one way in which I can make a difference. Running is something I'm passionate about, and I'm also passionate about education of children, and I felt these two can come together and I can sort of take education to children through running. I and a few others were the first few who started doing a marathon in order to raise funds. I feel my running is not just about myself anymore, it is about a lot more people, and it is also about a lot more efforts that Runners High is involved in. When they join Runners High, we look at improving their running, improving their fitness, but the most primary thing that we focus on is helping them enjoy the activity. To sustain anything, you should be really interested and really enjoy it. To start enjoying the activity, the other aspects of getting fitter, healthier, and becoming more confident, all of it just follows.
One. Don't do it. Two. Our group has learned to challenge itself more and more as we go along the journey, but at the same time not kill ourselves with too much of discipline or too much of targets on our head. 3, 4.
Why I run is the other thing that a lot of people ask actually, and sometimes I don't have a concrete answer to that. But one of the things that comes into my mind is it's something that takes me out of my day-to-day job stress and gives me a lot of time on my own, and also it helped me in connecting with a lot of like-minded people. When it comes to coaching, it's not just the running aspects alone that we teach here, we also coach them about the strength training, about nutrition and all this stuff, and I contribute to that.
So that's a constant communication, constant dialogue which the coaches keep on having with the runners so that they understand about the process as well as they learn a lot about themselves. Everybody gets something useful from this program. We have to ensure that each of them are launched into a path of healthy living.
And from the start, it's been a great journey with Runners High where I've become a different person thanks to Santosh and to Runners High. It's given me a lot of joy in my life. It's taught me a way of life. I've learned to discipline myself even in my job. Just feel that Runners High has taught me how to become a role model for other people also, how to inspire other people to do the same things that I am doing.
This running can mean a lot more than just my own personal health or well-being. From that point onwards, every run, any run that I do, it has a meaning larger than my own growth or my own personal development. In such a way that now Runners High and my own personal journey is very difficult to split apart. I see both of them as going hand in hand. So I was running races, raising funds, and I was also framing Runners High and got Runners High into the journey that it is now.